Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 7 best pressure cookers in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best pressure cookers. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Cuisinart CPC 900 High Pressure Multicooker. This multicooker from Cuisinart goes up to 15 psi and 1 top scores in our slow cooker test, making the most tender beef stew out of all other multi-cookers. Experts loved how simple it was to use. The large LCD screen makes it easy to read each function, and the clearly labeled buttons are lit, making everything easy to see. The timer allows you to see exactly how much more cooking time remains before completion, and once finished, a new stopwatch will start showing the time that the food has remained in the cooker. When coming to pressure, progress bars appear on the screen to let you know what stage the machine has reached. The same will happen when it is releasing. Pressure bars will lessen until all pressure is released. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot has a serious cult following, resulting in nearly 155,000 Amazon reviews, with a cumulative 4.7 stars on this model alone. In our tests, it earned high scores in nearly every test, and it was one of the few we looked at that made rice that was well cooked, not mushy. It also aced our pressure cooking and slow cooking beef stew tests. The controls are highly intuitive and include settings for making soup, meat, stew, beans, poultry, rice, yogurt, and other instant pot recipes. The simple design makes it easy to use, and the clearly labeled buttons caused no confusion when testing this model. While it doesn't feature an LCD screen or tons of functions like more advanced cookers, this model is great for beginners or people who don't need as many bells and whistles. What we love the most about this model is how reasonably priced it is, under $100. Breville Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker. The Fast Slow Pro is swankier than most pressure cookers, and it offers tons of customizable cooking settings. You can control the precise temperature and pressure level from 1.5 to 12 psi, and you can choose between auto quick, auto pulse, or natural pressure release. It even has an altitude adjust feature. Just program your current altitude, and it will fine-tune the time and temperature settings to match your boiling point. Settings are included for vegetables, rice, soup, meat, bone-in meat, chili, stew, dessert, and more. During testing, this produced the most tender pressure-cooked stew out of all the machines we tested, leaving the meat and veggies perfectly cooked, and the broth rich in color and flavor. And, perhaps best of all, though it's a relatively sophisticated appliance, testers found the LCD screen and knob controls intuitive and easy to use. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. Like other models, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker has a host of cooking capabilities, including pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, searing, saute-ing, and sous vide. It even has a built-in scale for precisely following a recipe. Unlike other models, this one has a standout feature that's particularly appealing to budding home chefs: more than 1,000 presets and access to more than 600 guided recipes and culinary how-to videos. Plus, you can control the appliance using your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. During our test, experts loved how easy the step-by-step instructions were to follow on the LCD screen. The Chef IQ earned one of the top pressure scores during our beef stew testing, pressurizing in 31 minutes. Compared to other machines, it was very easy to clean and assemble. Removing and reinstalling the silicone ring was a breeze. The sleek, matte black design is one that we wouldn't mind keeping out on our countertops. Ninja FD 300 to Foodi Pro Pressure Cooker. The Ninja Foodi combines two popular cooking styles, pressure cooking and air frying, in one machine. For those who love both the tenderness that pressure cooking offers and the crispness air frying can bring, this multi-cooker is for you. Available in both 6.5 QT and 8 QT visions, this updated model uses only one lid, unlike the original Ninja Foodi XL 8 QT pressure cooker. The smart lid slider enables you to select up to 14 different cooking functions, including pressure cooking, air frying, and steam frying, which fries and steams simultaneously. Both the cooking pot and accessories are dishwasher safe, and any residue or food splatter on the outside of the machine was easy to clean with a damp cloth during testing. This model also had one of the top scores for performance during our stew tests. The Foodi came to pressure in just 25 minutes. We found this particular multi-cooker is best for those with larger kitchens and counter space due to its bulky footprint and attached lid. Instant Pot Pro Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for an Instant Pot upgrade with advanced settings, look no further. The Instant Pot Pro has 10-in-1 functionality, including pressure cook, slow cook, steamer, and sous vide, just to name a few. This model also offers 5 programmable presets for your own recipes. The Pro has two pressure levels: high 10.2 to 11, 6 psi, and low 5.87, 2 psi. The stainless steel base was simple to clean, and any stuck-on food came off with ease. The pot also has silicone handles, which make picking up a hot or warm pot safe and easy. When testing, the Pro had the second highest score for coming to pressure. It pressurized in just 27 minutes. While it didn't perform as well during the natural pressure release test, it was able to release pressure in a little over 4 minutes using the quick release button. The push button on the top of the machine allows for a quick and safe pressure release and has a plastic-covered steam valve. Kuhn Rikon DUROMATIC Pressure Cooker. The Rolls-Royce of stovetop pressure cookers, Kuhn Rikon's models are built to last, with all-metal valve parts and quality gaskets. The DUROMATIC line comes in a range of shapes and sizes. This 6.3-quart option is a good choice for most homes, though we're also huge fans of its 8.5-quart, 11-inch wide model for stews and braises.